Hey guys, welcome back to my monetization journey. I am floored by the results of this past week. Let's get right to it. Alright, so these are the stats for this past week. I have had 13,517 views in 7 days, 1,164 watch hours in 7 days, and 555 subscribers in 7 days. That's just unbelievable to me. I am so thankful and grateful for everyone who has subscribed to my channel and who has found value in my content. As of this recording, I just checked. I am at 1203. So I have 1,203 subscribers. That's crazy. Last week I had 600. Currently on the 365 day count for the watch hours is at 3,691.5. So I have crushed the first tier monetization. But I am not monetized. YouTube works on a delay of 5 days. So by Saturday, according to my calculations, I should be getting that welcome email or that welcome button or whatever happens. I don't know what happens. But when I find out, I will let you know. I am at 92% of my second tier monetization, and I am 120% above my second tier subs. You only need 1,000 subs. I'm at 1,200, so all I gotta do is hit that little bit of watch hours, and I think in the 5 days I should hit that. So next video I should be first tier monetized. The following video I should be second tier monetized. And if you're not sure about monetization, I pre-recorded this clip coming up. What does it take for YouTube monetization? First, you need 500 subscribers with 3,000 watch hours within 365 days. What does that mean? That means if you had a video that popped off 367 days, that doesn't count. They only look back 365 days. So that's important. So that first tier allows you to have memberships, supers, things like that. It's a low tier. But basically what everyone strives for is the second tier. And that tier is 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. That allows you to fully monetize your station. Along with the first tier, you will also be able to run ads. And with ads, that's where the revenue comes from. All right, welcome back. The video plan has not really changed. I just keep adding a little bit at the bottom and not really looking at the top. This isn't really a plan, it's just blank piece. Revenue for the week. Let's talk numbers. What are we at? YouTube not monetized, $0. Etsy no sales, $0. This is on me because I made some designs, I just haven't listed them. I feel like if I list them, I'll probably get some traction in sales. So that is what I'm going to really try to do this weekend. Website, 0 sales. However, I have had over 200 people subscribe to my website to download my free files that I offer through my tutorial videos. Eventually, I am hoping to email them when I start putting paid designs on there, and maybe for $1 or $2, they'll buy some more intricate designs. Cults 3D, $0. Amazon affiliates, $16.36. That is from October 1st. So that doesn't account the affiliate creator connection that I enrolled in last week. According to the numbers on that, I am at about $8, but I'm not going to put that in this spreadsheet until I actually see the deposit. So that'll be November 1st. So that's once a month. Other, 0. I haven't sold anything on the side or anything, and I've had 0 expenses. But tomorrow I will be going to Hobby Lobby to pick up some supplies, and I'll probably have to order some stuff on Amazon as well. I want to start making some of my board butter for my cutting boards that I'm taking to the craft show in November. Purchase wish list hasn't really changed much. Just the priorities have shifted. I've moved the computer to the top. I need to have a better computer to edit the videos so I can get everything done quicker. The quicker I can do quality editing, the better I'll feel, because I'll be able to rest and think and actually make more content. So I'm just torn between a Mac Mini and a MacBook. I don't know if I want a desktop or a laptop. If you have an opinion and you think one is way better than the other, or if you know of sales, I don't want to spend a lot of money because, as you can see on my revenue, I have not made a lot of money in disposable income to put aside. But the first thing will be a computer, and then maybe the hard drives, or maybe one of the cameras. I'm not sure. It depends on how much money comes in. So that's where I am on that. I want to talk a little bit about this series, this monetization journey. So it is a journey. It is a marathon. It's not a sprint. But really, the monetization journey of me getting to be monetized is coming to a close. Continuing to be monetized and growing after. That's what I'm going to continue with these videos. So this type of video will be every Friday, and then a project video will be every Monday. So I think with these videos, they're going to turn into, I still will talk about my revenue, and I'll still talk about my numbers just so everybody can see where I'm at. But I'm also going to talk about the technology, the hardware that I use, the software that I use. Maybe I'll put some tutorials through on the software that I use for the screen captures. I'm starting to learn OBS. I'm starting to learn how I can really polish a live stream. So I'm excited about doing some overlays in OBS and things like that. If you don't know what any of that is, that's okay. I'll put another video out there soon that discusses what those things are. But they're great software packages, and they're all free. They're all open source. So if you learn those, you can really get some good quality content and get it done quick, actually. So that's all I'm going to talk about this week, I think. I'm just really excited for Saturday to hit. And then once that does, like I said, I'll tell you next week about the monetization tier 1 and what that looks like. And if there's anything that you guys think I should also be covering in these videos, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I am Steve. This is WilmerWoodWorks on my monetization journey. And thank you so much for watching. If this is their first video watching, please feel free to watch one of my other monetization videos this way or that way, or one of my woodworking or project videos. All right. See you next time.